Pocket multi-tools are nothing new, but the new SpinDeck from ThreePeters takes the idea to a whole new level. This compact gadget packs more than 40 different functions into a card-sized design that easily slips into your pocket, making it a handy companion for everyday fixes, camping trips, and DIY projects. The SpinDeck is built from two precision-machined grade 5 titanium plates that rotate around a central core. As they swing open, they reveal a surprisingly complete collection of tools designed to handle a wide range of everyday tasks. Despite everything it includes, the multi-tool is only 7.62 millimeters thick and weighs just 97 grams, so carrying it around won't weigh you down. One of the biggest highlights is its impressive tool selection. You get magnetic 4mm and 6mm screwdriver bits, 5 built-in hex wrenches, a locking utility knife that accepts replaceable blades, and even a serrated edge that can cut through rope, branches, and other tough materials. There are also laser-engraved rulers for quick measurements, a flat pry tool, and a unique high-load roller bearing that helps make lifting or dragging heavy objects easier. The roller bearing also gives the SpinDeck a distinctive appearance. While the textured titanium surface provides a secure grip, even when you're wearing gloves or your hands are wet, the standard version features a clean, sandblasted matte finish, but there's also a sleek black PVD coated option for those who prefer a darker look. ThreePeters has launched the SpinDeck through a Kickstarter campaign, with early supporters able to grab one for $95, compared to the planned retail price of $159. The package includes a 6mm to 4mm bit adapter and a bit extension rod, while optional accessories such as replacement blades, glow-in-the-dark tritium tubes, and additional screwdriver bit sets are also available. As with any crowdfunding project, there's always some level of risk before the product reaches customers. That said, ThreePeters has successfully delivered several previous crowdfunding campaigns, giving buyers a bit more confidence. According to the company, worldwide shipping is expected to begin in October, with free global delivery planned. For anyone looking for a compact multi-tool that combines premium materials with an impressive number of functions, the SpinDeck could be one of the most versatile pocket tools we've seen this year.